Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Quick Settings in the lower right corner. Click the gear icon to open full settings. Once Settings appears, type Google Assistant into the search bar so you land directly on the Assistant controls. Make sure you're signed into the profile where Assistant is enabled, otherwise you'll toggle the wrong account. Once found, look for the primary toggle labeled Google Assistant and get ready to switch it off. This is the first direct action to stop voice activation immediately. Now you'll disable voice activation and related permissions so Assistant no longer listens. Toggle off Google Assistant, then open the Assistant's voice match or wake word settings and disable Hey Google. Next, go to Apps or Site Settings, find Assistant or the Google app, and revoke microphone permission so it can't respond. Once done, make sure any lock screen activation options are off. This prevents accidental triggers when the device is asleep. These steps remove both activation and the mic pathway. You finish by verifying Assistant is really off. Say Hey Google or press the Assistant key. There should be no response. Then restart the Chromebook to ensure settings apply and cached services stop. If the Assistant still responds, check Accessibility Select to Speak and turn that off, and revisit app permissions to fully remove mic access. You can also sign out and sign back in to reset profile level settings. If problems persist, a settings reset will clear stubborn configuration. Use that only if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.